Yeah.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So right into the video, I'm using my Pixie toner, then I'm using my Eversheen moisturizer for my face to moisturize my face, then I'm using my Carmax to moisturize my lips, then I use my NYX illuminator and my NYX Angel Veil primer to prime my face. So I'm using both of these to prime my face. I wanted some glow, hence the liquid illuminator. So I'm just going to rub that in, especially going to concentrate on my nose and my forehead because I get really shiny in those areas now. So going back to the eyes, I'm using my P. Louise Rimmel Base 5 to prime my lids, getting them ready for eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use my Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, and I'm using the colour Teddy Bear on my crease, straight onto my crease. I'm going to pack this colour on until I'm satisfied with the intensity of that colour. So I'm just going to pack. Then I'm going to use the colour Brownie Points to soften the edges. And all the brushes I'm using are either Morphe or Real Techniques, by the way. So, and then this one's a P. Louise brush, but yeah, I used the Rimmel Base 03 to cut my crease, and my eye was shaking so much here, but this eye didn't turn out as great as the other eye, but I went back in to correct it. So then now I'm using my NYX matte liner, and I'm going to start lining, creating like a half eyeliner, not all the way through, just like half. So, and then I fill that out, and then take my time to fill that out. That's why I kept this video in real time, not speed it up. So line. Then I'm using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette to basically intensify that crease a bit, and then go into the eyeshadow, and it's the plummy brown colour. Then I use the darkest colour, which I think is the black, to intensify my crease and that eyeliner, and set the eyeliner even more. I'm going back in with that darker colour again, and then just intensifying the liner and intensifying my crease. So I'm just going to concentrate that really much on the crease so you really get the shape, and then I'll go back in with my P. Louise as well, just to like clean it up even more, because I wasn't going to set that was going to be the lid colour for this look. Now going into my foundation, I'm using the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation in the colour Namibia. Basically the same routine as my last video. Nothing has changed much, to be honest. I don't even think the products have changed, but yeah, just gonna dab down my face and blend away. Blend. Don't forget that forehead. Don't forget under your chin, down your neck. And all that. And then I'm going to use my LA Pro concealer in the colour Chestnut to correct and conceal under my eyes, and kind of give me a little bit of a highlight, not too much. I'm going to use that under my eyes, my chin, bridge of my nose, forehead, and right on my cheekbones. Then I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the colour 10R, and I'm going to use that to liquid contour. Liquid, because it's a liquid foundation, not a cream foundation. I'm just going to put that in the place that I want, and then I'm going to use my Real Techniques beauty blender to blend the concealer and foundation, the contour together. So I'm letting the other concealer dry a little bit on my face. Once I'm satisfied with that, I start to blend that out with the little buffing what's it called? The buffing brush from Real Techniques, the small one basically. And I prefer this technique now over using the beauty blender because it just looks so much more seamless than the beauty blender. I don't know. I mean, you can see the difference, right? From previous videos to this one. I feel like you get a bit more control of how you blend it out and all that. I actually didn't contour my nose this video. I didn't feel like contouring my nose. So what I did here is just basically just go back in with my foundation, blend the edges. So this is the foundation with blend the edges. Then I use my MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer in the colour NW40 to brighten up my highlight a bit. And then I'm going to use that same brush I used earlier to blend it out to make my highlight pop a bit more, make it a little bit brighter. And then I use my maybelline setting powder in the colour Topaz, and I set my face. I don't bake anymore. As I said previously, it's not for me. Anytime I bake, it's the side of my nose when I want my nose to look extra. But I don't want that today. So yeah, I don't do that. Then I use my mineral skin finish powder and Abrafi to set the rest of my face. This is an oldie but a goodie. And then I use the MAC blush in, I think it's Raisin. I could be wrong. I'm wrong. It's Cocoa something. And I use it as a bronzer, so I use it as a blush and a bronzer. And I use my lotion oil control settings to set my face. Then I go ahead and highlight my face with this Kiko highlighter. I didn't recall what the name is. I just know that that's what the packaging looked like, and I think it was a special edition one. So yeah, just gonna highlight the front of my face, and I really did overdo it, but it looked really nice in pictures that I did take in the video that I took. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't even do like a proper after that recording because I was running late. I was proper running late. So yeah, and then yeah, I highlight my Cupid's bow as well. Then moving on to this lips, using my MAC chestnut lip liner, and then and then just line my lips. I overline my lips just so they look extra plump. But by the way, I applied lashes off camera. They're Bria lashes as usual, and then I'm using my NYX soft matte lip cream in London, and that is that, guys. The end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I know it's not very informative, but yeah, I hope you enjoy. Continue to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.